Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can archive your Facebook story. Now it's pretty simple, and remember, when you archive your Facebook story, you can go check your story even after 10, 20 or even a year. Archive means you're going to save your story so you can view it in the future. So let me show you how you guys can do that. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel with notification on, and let's move on. Now the first thing in order to archive your story is upload a story. Now you can click on create story and click a random photo or a video. So I will just click a random photo. So I will click on the camera icon and I will click a photo over here like this and click on share, and it's going to be uploaded on my story. Now once it's uploaded on my story, I have just uploaded a story. As you guys can see, my story has been uploaded. And in order to save the story to archive, I need to first click on your story at the top, and it's going to take me to my story. And on my story at the top, you can see the three dot. Click on the three dot. Once you click on the three dot, it's going to show you all these options. You want to click on the fourth option called archive photo. So I will click on archive photo. Now it's showing me archive photo because this story is a photo. If it was a video, it's going to show me archive video. So I will just click on archive photo, and it says save this photo to your story archive. This photo will be saved to your story archived and removed from your story. So if I want to save this on my archive, it's going to be removed from my story. So if you're okay with that, you can click on OK, and it's going to load for some time. And as you guys can see, I can click on go to archive to see the story which I just saved in my archive. But because it was saved on my archive, it was removed from my story. So you need to remember that the story is going to be transferred from your story section to your archive, and your archive can only be viewed by you, which means your story cannot be seen by your friend. So that is basically what this does, but that's how you guys can archive your Facebook story. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.